Well, welcome back to Channel Ron. This is an unexpected problem that we got going on here. I got home and my wife said the guest bathroom was not working. So, and she's right, the handle is broken. So I took the cover off and the handle is broken off. So I just went up to Lowe's and for about $9 I was able to get a new handle for it. So we're going to go ahead and replace that. So let's get started.
Now, when you take the top of this off, be careful. Okay, this is porcelain and this can break. So just get that out of the way. Okay, so you can see it is definitely broken. Now we have hard water here, so it may appear as though it's dirty, but you're fine to put your hands in here. So you can see here's where the handle used to attach, and it's broken right off. It's just plastic, so, and then the other end of it is attached to a chain. So you can see that this piece here used to attach right there, and then the other piece is attached to the flipper. And as soon as that flipper goes up, just like that, it flushes. But that's not going to happen because of this piece right here is broken. So the first thing we need to do is take and disconnect this chain from the old broken piece. So just a little flip here, like that. Alright, so we get that out of the way. I'm just going to try to, I don't know if I can hang that there, I guess I know. So I'm just going to have to drop it down there and reach down there and get it what I need. Alright, next we need to remove this broken handle. Okay, so it's going to be reverse thread. So it's going to feel like you're tightening it. Okay, it's going in this direction. Okay, and you're actually removing it. So kind of keep that in mind. So normally turning it in this direction, you'd be tightening it up. So go ahead and remove that. Alright, get that out of the way. So I'll show you here if I can. So if you was going to be putting this back on, you'd think you'd be normally turning in this direction, but you're not. You're going to be going in the opposite direction. So lefty-loosey, tighty-righty, it does not apply with this flush handle. Alright, let's get that out of here. Take your flush handle, your new one, get it out of the package. Kind of line it up here. Looks like it's going to work good. I might have to bend this out. This isn't in directions, so I may have to bend this rod out a little bit. First things first, let's get it in. Take off the nut. Go ahead and feed it through like that. Just like this. And I can see already I'm going to have to bend this out a little bit, just like it says in the directions. Kind of a universal handle. So there we go. Go ahead and put the nut on. And you can't put a lot of pressure on this, so don't get carried away with the channel locks. Just go ahead. In there, give it a little, just snug it, that, just like that. So now we need to reach down and get our chain, and we're going to try this one here first, because going by what was here, it looks like that might be the hole we want. So let's go ahead and try that first. So reach down, get your chain, this. Try that one first. Perfect. First try, and that was only because I had this one as a guide.
There it is. I know it's not that glamorous of a job, but it needs to be done from time to time. So I hope this helps you with your flush problem, and thanks an awful lot for watching. Oh yeah.